Hi, it's story time! Hi boys and girls, today we are going to listen and watch a video of YouTube about the magic turnip. This is the name of our story today. En esta historia aparecen diferentes miembros de la familia, family members, porque esta semana vamos a estudiar los miembros de la familia, ¿verdad? Aparte de otras cosas más relacionadas con el área de inglés. Entonces, en esta historia, todos los miembros de la familia tienen que cooperar y ayudarse para conseguir... Vamos a verlo. Let's watch and listen to the story. Pay attention, please.
The Enormous Turnip, retold by Irene Yates. Once a man came out to his garden with his turnip seeds and his hoe. He dug and he delved, and he set his seeds in a row. He cared for his seeds and watered them well, and the turnip seeds began to swell. At last the turnips began to grow. They got bigger and bigger and bigger. And the man with the hoe said, "So we'll have turnips for breakfast and lunch and for tea, and it's turnips for supper too, thanks to me." One of the turnips, the best of the lot, began to take over the whole of his plot. It grew bigger and bigger every day. It was huge. It was vast. It was enormous. The other poor turnips got out of its way. The man was baffled, but he kept on hoeing, and the enormous turnip kept on growing. The man thought it must be time at last to pull the turnip, but it just stuck fast. "Come and help heave," called the man to his wife. The man pulled the turnip, and the wife pulled the man, but the enormous turnip just wouldn't budge. "Come and help heave," called the wife to a boy. The man pulled the turnip, the wife pulled the man, the boy pulled the wife, but the enormous turnip just wouldn't budge. "Come and help heave," called the boy to a girl. The man pulled the turnip, the wife pulled the man, the boy pulled the wife, the girl pulled the boy, but the enormous turnip just wouldn't budge. "Come and help heave," called the girl to a dog. The man pulled the turnip, the wife pulled the man, the boy pulled the wife, the girl pulled the boy, the dog pulled the girl, but the enormous turnip just wouldn't budge. "Woof! Come and help heave," called the dog to a cat. The man pulled the turnip, the wife pulled the man, the boy pulled the wife, the girl pulled the boy, the dog pulled the girl, the cat pulled the dog, but the enormous turnip just wouldn't budge. "Meow! Come and help heave," called the cat to a mouse. The man pulled the turnip, the wife pulled the man, the boy pulled the wife, the girl pulled the boy, the dog pulled the girl, the cat pulled the dog, the mouse pulled the cat, and... the enormous turnip shot right out with a thud and a thwack and a thump, and they all fell back with a bump, bump, bump. Meow. Then it was turnip for breakfast and lunch and for tea, and turnip for supper, and oh dearie me, the turnip's so good that they can't get their fill, and it's just so enormous they're eating it still.
Para mí me parece una historia muy divertida y muy chula, por eso os la he propuesto hoy. Bye bye, boys and girls, bye.